During this video, I will be showing you how to set up discounts in vsHome. You can now customize your discounts so that they can be applied to just the cost of the survey data or products or the total order value. So to access the discounts, head to the Preferences via the globe icon and then select Discounts from the left-hand side of the window. You will then see the button New Discount. Select this and the Create New Discount window will pop up. You can see the discounts are split into two options, automatically applied and manually applied. Now I'm going to start by showing you the manual discounts, and there are two types of manually applied discounts. Discounts with a fixed value and discounts with a variable value. I'm going to start by showing you the fixed value option. So once a discount is selected, click OK and the Edit Discount window will appear where you can then edit the parameters. So firstly, you need to give the discount a name. I'm going to set this one to 5% off survey data costs. Now, as you can see here, you can choose whether the discount is a monetary value or a percentage. Obviously, in this case, I need to select the percentage and then add in the value into the field, which will be 5%. We can then use the Apply To drop-down menu to choose what the discount will apply to. In this case, I'm going to apply it to the survey data only. And finally, you have the option to choose whether the discount is applied automatically. And I'm going to leave this one unticked so I can choose whether to apply it on a job-to-job basis. If you do select Apply Automatically, then the discount will be added to every job and you will not be able to remove it. Okay, so now that's done, I can hit OK. And you'll see the first discount listed on the left here with the details to the right, where you can press Edit to return to the Edit Discount window and amend the discount if necessary. Okay, so for the second discount, I'm going to create another manual discount with a fixed value. This time I'm going to name it 10% off product costs. Again, setting this to a percentage with a value of 10%. This time I will be applying it to the products, so I need to select Products from the Apply To drop-down menu. And I am also going to tick the box for Apply Automatically so that I can demonstrate how discounts differ when this option is selected. So now I can hit OK. Now I'm going to create a manual discount with a variable value. This type of discount might be useful if your discount rates tend to fluctuate from job to job, but you still want to set a limit against how much discount can be added. I'm going to adjust the name to Variable Discount Off Total Cost. Again, with this discount, you can choose if it is a monetary value or a percentage. I'm going to select percentage and set the values to 0 to 20%. And I'm leaving the Apply To drop-down menu set to Total Order. And it's also worth noting here that the Apply Automatically tick box that appeared on the manual discount with a fixed value doesn't appear here, as this type of discount can only be added on a job-to-job basis so that the amount of discount can be specified. Okay, so now we can hit OK. So they are my three examples of the manual discounts we can add. You can see the little M symbol, which will appear next to each discount within the list that is not being applied automatically. I'm now going to hit Close and save the discounts and open up a job to show you how to apply the discounts. Okay, so this is the example job that I've already set up. And if we head straight to the finance section along the left here, and just to make a note, I've already set up a product within this job to ensure there is a price that we can apply the discounts to. Okay, so along the left here, we have our finance options listed. You can see the total of the product and the survey data cost I have already applied to the job. Then underneath we have the discounts, which have been automatically applied. If you remember, we ticked the box to have the 10% off products discount applied automatically. So the product discount is being deducted from the cost of the products only. And you can see 10% is coming off the £5,707.66, giving us a discount of £570.77. So now we can add the other discounts which are not being applied automatically. And to add another discount, select the button along the bottom left here with the dots, and then use the drop-down menu to select which discount you'd like to apply. I'm going to select the survey data discount. As this discount wasn't applied automatically, you will see it appears within the finance options area with a little tick box, which allows the discount to be quickly switched on and off. There is also a delete button to remove the discount altogether. The survey data discount is coming off the survey data costs only, so that would be 5% off £368.75. giving a discount of £18.44. Now I'm going to add the variable discount, again using this button along the bottom left. You'll see it appears on the left. This time there is an edit button to the right where we can set the discount amount. So if we hit that, and if we add in 50%, let's say, and hit OK, you'll see the warning message pop up to say that the value exceeds the range and please try a different value, which is great. It means that the limit of 20% that we set is working. So I'm going to put in 20% instead and hit OK. Now, to be clear, the variable discount of the total cost will be deducted from the remaining total once the survey and product discounts have been deducted. Okay, so now I've shown you all the manual discounts. I'm going to actually go back into the preferences, back into discounts, and I'm going to delete the 3 discounts that we just created using the delete button here. Now I'm going to create an automatic discount. There is only one option for automatic discount, which is to discount the current total if it is more than a certain value. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the name to read £200 off if more than £6,000 spent. I then need to adjust the fixed value to £200. Again, you can choose here if you'd like it to be a percentage as well. Select what you want the discount to apply to. In this case, I'm leaving it set to total order, and then adjust the if current total is more than up to 6,000 and press OK. You'll see the description has changed here. Okay, so now I can close the preferences, hit save, and then I'm just going to open up the same job again. And if I go over into the finance section, you'll see the discount has already been listed within the finance options on the left. And because it is an automatic discount, we cannot remove it from the job. So remember, we set the discount to give us £200 off if we spent more than £6,000. So because we added the survey data in, that brought us over the £6,000 mark, which brings the discount into effect. So if I go into the survey data quickly and just remove that, and then go back into the finance section, you'll see the order change window pops up as we've adjusted the total. Now this window just gives you a summary of the changes that have been made. All you can do is hit OK. You'll see now, because the total value is less than £6,000, the discount no longer applies. It's still visible, but the £200 has not been deducted as the requirements were not met. So finally, one more thing I'd like to show you is the feature which allows you to hide any automatic discounts so they do not show up within the finance options here on the left. This can be specifically useful if you wanted to create a series of automatic discounts at varied amounts, allowing the level of discount being applied to alter based on the value of the order. Selecting this option would then ensure that any discounts not being applied are removed from view when their criteria is not met. On the other hand, if you are adding a single automatic discount, like I have shown here, you may want to keep this in view to provide an incentive to the customer. So here you can see the £200 off discount is visible, but hasn't been deducted, as I mentioned, because we've not met the £6,000 mark. So to hide the automatic discounts when they're not being applied, all you need to do is go back into the preferences. And then underneath finance, expand that and go into the finance settings. And then you can see the tick box here, which is labeled show all automatic discounts on finance page. So what I can do is just untick that, hit close. And then if we open up the same job again, go back into the finance page, you'll see that the automatic discount has been removed from view. For more tutorial videos, visit the support area on our website.